Hello dear students, wish you all a very good morning. Hope you all are doing very fine. So let's begin today's English language class. So today we'll discuss first of all the assignment based on the articles. Okay, so let's discuss. Insert a, an or the as necessary in given blanks. So here he is not dash honorable man. So here honorable, it begins with a vowel sound. You can see O is a vowel sound, so that's why I use indefinite article an. So he is not an honorable man. Second one is here, could you pass me dash salt please? So here, could you pass me the salt please? Why the? You are talking about particular salt, particular container of salt. We are not talking about any salt. Okay? What the salt is kept there in a container. That's why the. Could you pass me the salt please? Third is, I have just a half for lunch. So I have an hour. R is there, or hour. So here R, it begins with R sound, vowel sound. So and R. And half here, it begins with consonant sound, H. So So I have an R, a half for lunch. Okay? I have an R and should be here, and a half. Okay, and a half for lunch. One more thing, we don't use any article before meal's name as lunch, dinner, breakfast. Don't use any article. Okay, so here no indefinite article. Or when you are talking in general, speaking in general, okay, but if you use sometime, but if talking about a special one, particular one, then you may use sometime the before name of meal also. As I liked the dinner given by Mr. Sharma yesterday. Okay, see here. 4. Kalidas is dash Shakespeare of India. Of course, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India, because here pronoun Shakespeare has been used as a common noun. So any person who has quality of Shakespeare may fall into this. So we may use article. So the Shakespeare we have used. Here all is sometime also used before proper noun. He is a Sachin Tendulkar of our school. Okay, we have that already we have discussed. Next. She had dash amazing experience last night. So she has an amazing experience last night. Number 6. That is, do you go to dash prison to visit him? So do you go to the prison to visit him? You know, when a building used for some other purpose, okay, not for its primary purpose. So if school used for some other purpose, not for studying or teaching, then you can use the there. So here the same way, prison is here. So here you go to prison to visit someone. Okay, so generally thieves or who are criminals, they are only imprisoned in prison. So here you can use the. Do you go to the prison to visit him? Oil is vital for dash economy, okay, of many countries. So here oil is vital for the economy of many countries. The economy is possible here. Now vital, what is the meaning of vital? Very important. Okay. So you are talking about a particular economy. Okay, that's why and also you are talking about the particular economy of many countries. Okay. Now number 8. An honest man is the noblest work of God. So here honest is here. So it begins with vowel sounds and you are talking any honest man in the world which falls under this. So an honest man. Now this is superlative noblest. So an honest man is the noblest work of God. Here God. In God you have used G in capital letter. See here. So here God means supreme, the supreme power. Okay. If you are talking about this God who has been assigned with duty to look after a particular department, then you can use small g. So there are many gods. Means there are many gods. So there it will be small letter. Means they have been assigned with particular department. As God Indra has been assigned with to look after the rain. Then Varuna, God Varuna has been assigned to look after water department. Okay. In the same way, fire department has been assigned to God Agni. There it will take a small letter. But if you are talking about supreme power, it will take G capital letter. So God is only one, but gods are many. Number 9, the rich. See here, dash rich are getting richer and dash poor are getting poorer. So here article will be the rich. If there is adjective without noun and there is the before that adjective, this means the noun is in plural. So the rich means rich people. Okay. The poor means poor people. The young means young people. So see here, the rich means rich people are getting richer and poor people are getting poorer. Now here again there is dash dead no longer need help. What is the meaning of the dead? The dead is possible only. So the dead means dead people. The people who are dead need no longer any help. Now number 11 again, who is at dash door? So who is at the door? Who is at the door? Okay. It is dash postman. So it is the postman. Next, number 12. I don't know how much dash MP earns. MP means member of parliament. So this is a word and it begins with a vowel sound A. So an MP. I don't know how much an MP earns. So all the MP, any MP can fall under. Any MP can fall under this. An MP. If you say an MP. Okay. But if you say the MP, it means particular MP. But now here you are talking about any MP. Now the Everest 13. The Everest is the highest mountain. Of course, superlative. So the Everest is the highest mountain in dash world means the world. 14 is here. Arun thinks that this is quite dash cheap hotel. So if you find the word quite, such, and after that there is an adjective and noun, then please use a or an. Okay, so quite a. This is quite a silent place. Okay, or I have never seen such a beautiful girl earlier. So if there is a word such or quite, and after that there is adjective and noun, then please use a or an. See here. 14 number, Arun thinks that this is quite a cheap hotel. 15, not many people read poetry, but quite dash few read novels. Again, quite is there, so quite a few read novels. Here I like to tell you difference between few and little. Few is used before plural nouns and little is used before an uncountable noun. Little water, few coins, few cars. Okay. So few persons, but little water, little sugar. Is clear? Now see the difference. A little means little, few, a little, a few, the little, the few. Okay? If you say a little, if you say little and few, it means it gives negative meaning. I have little knowledge about history. It means it gives negative meaning, so I have no knowledge, hardly any knowledge. I have few coins, so I cannot give you. Again here, you are using only few, so negative meaning. You have hardly any coin. But if you use a, it means positive meaning. You have something. So, I have a little knowledge about history. It means I have some knowledge of history. Say, I have a few coins, so I can help you. Yeah, again, positive meaning. If you say the, it means whatever you have, all. I will give you the little water I have. Okay, so all whatever you have. I will help you with the little coins. I have, no, not little here. Little example has been already. So I will help you with the few coins that I have. So you have seen here, if you use little, it gives negative meaning. I have little knowledge of history. I have hardly any knowledge. If you say, I have the little knowledge, I have a little knowledge about history, so it means I have some knowledge. But if you say, I have the knowledge, I have the little knowledge of history, I will give you. So, all whatever you have. Okay? And same case applies with few also. And now, repetition of article. When you are using repeating articles, means you are talking about two different persons. When you are using article twice, it means you are talking about two different persons. But if you are using article one time only, then it means you are using only. If you mean only single person. See here, the principal and the teacher. See here, you have used article twice. So here, two persons you are talking about. So are. But the principal and the teacher are coming. So, but if you say the painter and singer, so you have used article once only. So it means both are same person only. Okay? Means same person is painter and singer as well. So here is the painter and singer is coming. So I hope you have understood today's lesson very well and you have enjoyed the class as well. So thank you very much. Bye bye. Ciao.